કર્મા ફાઉન્ડેશનના સર્વ મિત્રોને નમસ્કાર અને આજના વર્લ્ડ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ડે નિમિત્તે હાર્દિક શુભેચ્છાઓ. હું જે કે વ્યાસ હાલમાં સેન્ટર ફોર એન્વાયરમેન્ટ એજ્યુકેશન સંસ્થા ખાતે એન્વાયરમેન્ટ મેનેજમેન્ટ એન્ડ ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જના હેડ તરીકે કાર્યરત છું. અમારી સંસ્થા અમદાવાદમાં મુખ્ય ઓફિસ અમદાવાદમાં આવેલી છે અને અમારી 30 જેટલી ઓફિસીસ આખા ભારતમાં આવેલ છે. આ ઉપરાંત અમારી એક જર્મની તેમજ ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં પણ બંને જગ્યાએ એક ઓફિસીસ છે. શ્રી કાર્તિકેય સારાભાઈ જે આપણા ખૂબ જ જાણીતા વૈજ્ઞાનિક વિક્રમ સારાભાઈ હતા એમના પુત્ર છે અને એ અમારા ડાયરેક્ટર છે. અમારી સંસ્થા જુદા જુદા થીમેટિક એરિયા ઉપર કામ કરે છે. દાખલા તરીકે એન્વાયરમેન્ટ એજ્યુકેશન, એન્વાયરમેન્ટલ પોલ્યુશન એન્ડ પ્રિવેન્શન, ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જ, ઇન્ટરપ્રિટેશન, એર પોલ્યુશન, વેસ્ટ મેનેજમેન્ટ, વેસ્ટ યુટિલાઇઝેશન, R&D વગેરે. આજે હું થોડી રેઇન વોટર હાર્વેસ્ટિંગ સિસ્ટમ વિશે વાત કરવા માગું છું કે જે અત્યારનો ખૂબ જ અગત્યનો વિષય છે અને ઘણા બધા એવું પણ કહે છે કે હવે પછીનું વોર કદાચ પાણી ઉપર હોઈ શકે. માટે આપણે પાણીના કન્ઝર્વેશનની ખૂબ જ જરૂર છે. કેવી રીતે રેઇન વોટર હાર્વેસ્ટિંગ સિસ્ટમ શું છે, કેવી રીતે કાર્ય કરે છે એ આપણે જોઈએ. While 70% of the world is covered by water, only 2.5% of it is fresh. The rest is saline and ocean-based, and just 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible. Our water sources are depleting each year. Additionally, we cannot generate artificial water and must depend on water resources available on our planet. Due to population boom and excessive need of water to suit our ever-expanding modern lifestyle, water scarcity is felt in India and also over the entire world. This has given rise to major concern over water conservation. In this context, rainwater harvesting and recharging groundwater is one of the simplest and the most economical method in conserving water in nation and in water globally. Now let us see what is rainwater harvesting. It is a simple method by which rainfall is gathered and stored for future use. The process involves collection and storage of rainwater with the help of artificially designed systems that run off natural or man-made catchment areas. For example, rooftop, compounds, rocky surface, hill slopes, or artificially repaired impervious, semi-impervious land surface. The collected rainwater from surfaces on which rainfalls may be filtered, stored, and utilized in different ways or directly used for recharge purposes. Rainwater harvesting is unrestricted from any kind of impurity with relatively less storage cost and no maintenance cost involved except for periodical cleaning. With depleting groundwater levels and fluctuating climate conditions, this measure can go a long way to help mitigate the adverse effects of rising water scarcity. Reserving rainwater can help recharge local aquifers, reduce urban flooding, and most notably ensure water availability in water scarce zones. There are various components of rainwater harvesting systems like catchments. It is a surface which directly receives the rainfall and provides water to the system like terrace or country yard of a building or an area like a lawn or open ground. A rooftop made of reinforced cement concrete, galvanized iron or corrugated sheets can also be used for water harvesting. Coarse mesh at the roof to prevent the passage of debris, and then there are gutters, means channels all around the edge of a sloping roof to collect and transport rainwater to the storage area at the bottom. Then there are pipelines, also called conduits, that carry rainwater from catchment to rooftop area to the harvesting system. Conduits can be made of PVC or galvanized iron. Capturing the rainwater can help recharge local aquifers, reduce urban loading, and most importantly, ensure water availability in water scarce zones. And it is one of the most economical ways of freshwater conservation. These water conservation methods can be easily practiced in individual homes, apartments, parks, offices, and places of religious importance like temples, mosques, gurudwaras, Parsi garrets, etc. Farmers have recharged their dry bore wells, created water banks in drought areas, watered their farms, increased sustainability of their water resources, and even created a river with rainwater harvesting. Now let us see what are the advantages of implementing rainwater harvesting system. First and foremost, it reduces water bills. Rainwater harvesting systems are cost effective, provide high quality water, lessen dependence on wells, and are considerably easy to maintain. Second, it gives ecological benefit by water conservation, reduces erosion and flooding of surroundings. It is an adequate means for irrigation purpose. Rainwater is mostly free from harmful chemicals, which makes it suitable for the purpose of irrigation. It reduces demand on groundwater. It increases the productivity of aquifer, resulting in the rise of groundwater, and reduces the need for potable water. It also reduces the pumping cost. It is extremely essential, particularly in areas with water levels. There are major techniques, mainly two, of rainwater harvesting. First is surface runoff harvesting, and then there is a groundwater recharge. At the end, we can conclude that rainwater harvesting and collection of rainwater is an adequate strategy that can be used to address the problem of water crisis nationally and globally. The use of rainwater harvesting system provides an excellent merit for every community. The simple water conservation method can be a boost to an incredible solution in areas where there is enough rainfall but not enough supply of groundwater. Again, rainwater harvesting is something that thousands of families across the world should participate in, rather than pinning hopes on the administration. When we must not depend on the government. Government will be doing on its own, but we must join our hands with the government to conserve water by doing the rainwater harvesting system. This water conservation method is simple, low cost, and effective process with numerous benefits that can be easily practiced in individual homes, apartments, parks, and across the world. Now, our organization has made remarkable work in this area of rainwater harvesting in Gujarat at 11 villages in Ahmedabad district, 60 schools in Delhi, NCR region, and at 85 individual places. In India also, there are excellent rainwater harvesting systems in the states like Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat again, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, etc. Now we must, as the citizen of India, as said in our constitution, contribute wholeheartedly towards the protection of our environment for our future generations and act according to the advice of our revered father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, who said that earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not to every man's greed. Another very famous Indian proverb says that, and it is heart touching, only when the last tree has died and the last river has been poisoned and the last fish been caught, we will realize that we cannot eat money. So let us begin our fight for betterment and of environment from today itself, as tomorrow it will be too late. Jai Hind. Thank you.